Lindsay from RR Mudgee here. Today we have this Deutz Fahr 5120C with an AgriLift 3820 loader, 2100 GP bucket and radial tyres, good rubber all round, quick detachable loader, rear remotes and 3-point linkage lift and stop and start for the PDO, 3 sets of remotes, hook end, quick end hitch, 540 and 1000 RPM economy as well, and you still have the buttons for your 3-point linkage and your PDO on the rear. Then in the cab we have 5 speeds, 4 ranges with 3 splits in the transmission, a rapid steer setting and stop and go function, and this tractor only has 1800 hours on it. All at a bargain price of $77,000 including GST.